Today, I'm going to teach you how to add alternate text to images in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful for making your PDFs more accessible to people using screen readers, ensuring everyone can understand the content of your documents regardless of visual ability. Let's start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer and logging in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Recent Files section where you'll find a list of documents you've worked with recently. From here, select the file you want to add alternate text to. This will open your document in the main workspace. Now, in the upper left corner of the screen, you'll see an option called All Tools. Click on that to access Adobe's full range of features. This brings up a comprehensive menu of everything you can do within the program. In the left sidebar that appears, look for and click View More. This expands the available tools and ensures you can access specialized features that might not be immediately visible. Next, you need to locate the Prepare for Accessibility option. This is a specialized tool designed specifically for making PDFs accessible to all users. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. This will open up the accessibility panel on the left side of your screen, giving you several options for improving document accessibility. In this left panel, you'll now see an option labeled Add Alternate Text. Click on it. A dialog box will appear and you'll need to click OK to confirm that you want to proceed with adding alternate text to the images in your document. This action tells Adobe to scan your document and identify all images that need descriptions. You'll now see a text field where you can type your alternate text for the first image. This is where you describe what the image shows in a concise, meaningful way. Take your time here, as quality alternate text is essential for users who rely on screen readers. Once you're finished describing the first image, look for the right arrow button and click it. This will move you forward to the second image in your document. For the second image, type your alternate text in the same way you did for the first. Continue this process for any additional images in your document, using the arrow buttons to navigate between them. When you've added alternate text to all the necessary images, click the Save and Close button. This finalizes your alternate text entries and closes the accessibility panel. Finally, in the upper right corner of the screen, click the Save button to save all the changes you've made to your document. This ensures your alternate text is permanently embedded in the PDF. And that's it. You've successfully made your PDF more accessible by adding alternate text to images. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.